Welcome to Illuminous. We'll show you in this video how to wire our 60-watt halogen transformer. Now wire 120 volts AC to the input. Note we do not need an earth as 60 watt is a class 2 driver, double isolated. Please check the datasheet for supported dimmers. Also check the dimmer manufacturer's installation instructions as each are different. Our driver is wired, ready to test. With modern digital dimmers like Insteon 2477D, the minimum dim level and speed is set by the dimmer switch. Note, we do need greater than 10 watt halogen load to output any voltage. The output will flash strobe if the load is greater than 60 watts. Thank you for watching.